What's up, everybody? How we doing tonight? God bless everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. What are y'all doing tonight? It's a great Friday. What's good, Bert? What's good, Jeff? How you doing, Jake C? How you doing, Sir Captain Sticks? How we doing? I hope everybody's doing well tonight. I appreciate you guys being and joining me tonight. What's up, Tario? I appreciate you being on here as well. Yeah, so you guys, I'm excited. As y'all can tell, I got a cheesy face right now. I appreciate you guys for being on here. A lot of talk in the space, a lot of noise going on in the crypto space, especially buzzing around XRP. So once again, guys, I so appreciate you guys for joining me tonight. I was testing a new toy. I don't know. Did y'all hear the music at all? Because I don't know if the music was playing in the background. I just know that the actual sign was up. But I appreciate you guys, staying and list or waiting for the stream to actually get started. I appreciate that. But oh, it was silent. Okay, so I know what I'm gonna fix next time. I got something that I need to fix for the next time. I appreciate you for giving me feedback on that. Let's see. What's up? What's up? What's up, Thomas? How we doing? Steven, how we doing? What's going on? I'm doing great, man. Thanks for asking, Anthony. From Sydney, Australia. Wow. Yes, I'm doing great. Today has been, I've been pretty busy, real busy. I just got back on Twitter. Some of y'all know that I took off from Twitter for a little bit, but I just got back on. Needed to look into some things, and I've been programming stuff and some integrating some things too. Software, and it's just a lot of work going on behind the scenes, but I appreciate you guys always supporting the channel and everything. Jeff, you asked about the airdrops. Are you asking my opinion on them, or are you asking, what are you asking about them? Be more specific. Maybe I missed something. Let's see. What's up, Pierce? How we doing? Happy Friday. I'm glad to see glad to be back on Twitter, man. What's up, Ashad? How we doing? Good evening to you too as well. You said, oh, you gotta talk. You gotta talk to. Oh, talk to me about it. Okay, got you. Okay, got you. Yeah, I appreciate that, Anthony, and Jeff. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna help you out with that. Oh, so you gotta do it now? Okay, got you. What's up, Robbie? How we doing? Blessings, brother. God bless. Yeah, so you guys, I took off from Twitter from a while just to get take a stand back and see what was God saying, see what He wants me to talk about, see and observe some stuff. So while I was gone from Twitter, he showed me that our priorities as far as our priorities as far as finances and prioritizing things in our life. Man, I cannot speak today. Prioritizing things in our life. He showed me that a lot of us, not just in the crypto space, but a majority of us that I see in that he showed me that we're too focused on money in this space, and not a lot of people are focused on him. So it's crazy. He showed me. He also gave me a scripture. I'm trying to remember. I should have wrote it down. But the scripture said, "Wherever your heart is, your treasure will be as well." And a lot of people's heart is with XRP. A lot of people's heart is with cryptos. A lot of people's heart is with material gain. So, when you have your heart in a place and you're not giving it to the Lord, how can you fully put trust in God when you are putting all your trust in material things in XRP? A lot of people are putting their heart into XRP and believe it's going to be their savior and their holy grail. And so you guys, if XRP drops, don't be surprised. I'm just going to say that now. But I am going to talk on that, why XRP could potentially drop to 30 cents. I do see it as a potential move. A lot of people in the space say we're done with dropping. Well, it's still possible. I'll show you guys soon, but Let me see what's being said. You said, I believe that's why we're definitely pulling back. A sign to be humbled. Yep. A lot, like I said, a lot of people, I said this in a tweet long time ago. A lot of people are going to miss this move because they're going to be greedy and they're going to try to get all the money they can. And this is not about greed at this time. It's about, getting what the Lord has blessed you with and being content with what he blessed you with. So this is something I'm learning as well. Be content with what you got and what the Lord blesses you with. Uh, you guys don't understand, like, a lot. He showed me a lot, and I'm gonna be covering a lot of things over the next couple months as well, because when it does take off, and it will, when it finally does take off, you need to be prepared mentally. You need to be prepared. Uh, be prepared. I'm gonna say that, be prepared, because being rich is a different ball game. You got to understand that being rich has its own consequences, its own temptations, its own territory. If you're gonna be rich, you have to have a strong spirit, because it's easy for a camel to go through a needle than it is for a rich man to get into heaven. So you guys, if you can't, you guys don't understand how hard, being rich is. And a lot of people that are rich struggle with depending on God, because they believe they have it all together, because they got money, they got everything that they need. So when you think you have everything that you need, you deceive yourself. And when you deceive yourself, you only show God that you're not ready for the true blessings that he's prepared for you. All right. So you guys, you guys got to be prepared for what's to come. And also, when you're rich, you have a big old target on your back. People want to come after you. People want to talk bad about you. People want to slander your name. People want to do all sorts of things to you. But you have to understand, when it comes to being rich, you're going to be a target. So if you guys want to have that lifestyle, you have to prepare for what it comes with. And it's going to come with people talking bad about you, people trying to get money off of you, people trying to do all sorts of things to you, tempt you, get you to do stuff that's not even right in God's sight. So you guys, be prepared spiritually when it comes to being rich. Especially if you studied King Solomon. Those that have studied King Solomon, he had a lot of wealth, and not just wealth, he had a lot of wisdom. How it's crazy, because a man could have all the wisdom in the world and all the money in the world and still fail if he's not keeping God first. So you guys got to understand that this game is serious. And so I hope you guys prepared mentally, spiritually, emotionally, because being wealthy is a different ball game. All right. Let me look at these comments. You said, Oscar, how you doing? I appreciate you being here. Yeah, I forgot that verse too, but I don't have the exact verse memorized, but I do know of the verse. My mom's watching me tonight, it seems. So I appreciate you, Mom, for being on here, going by a alias name. I got you. I appreciate you, Mom. Let's see. You said, and I'm content, even though I wish I could buy some more. Okay, I got you. Yeah. If you're content with what you got, just pray that God allows you to be a good steward of that money that he blessed you with, Oscar. Let's see. Pierce, you said there's a difference in being rich and having riches. Having riches gives you the opportunity to do God's work. And that's actually funny you said that, because I was actually talking about that this morning with one of my students. She's very wise, and she was actually praying over me today. We were actually talking about money being a tool for God's to do God's work. Money is designed for God's kingdom and nothing more and nothing less. The money is designed to build God's kingdom, to do kingdom work, to do ministry, to take care of the people that are needy, the people that need that the widows, the homeless, the needy, that's what the money is designed for, to do kingdom work, to take care of the unfortunate, and to build God's ministry, and to do what God has ordered you to do with that money. So that's what money is for. All right. Let's see. Ashad, you said 2 Chronicles 9:13-29. I'm going to write that down. I have no idea what that is off my head. Actually, I'm going to just take a picture of that, because I have no idea what verse that is off the top of my head. So let me go ahead and take a picture of that right now. I'll probably read that right when I finish the stream, just to get an understanding for it. All right. But you guys, I'm excited. You guys be be ready. I'm just gonna say that, be ready. This thing could pop off at any moment, as well as dip. But I'm gonna show you the case for a 35-cent XRP in a minute. I just want to talk with you guys for a little bit, see how y'all are doing, what's going on in y'all's minds. You said thank you for this powerful confirmation. Whatever confirmation that I gave you, thank the Lord for it, man. I appreciate God using me, because right before every time I start my live streams, I always pray that God uses me, and the Spirit speaks through me. Whatever the Spirit wants to say, whatever comes, I said, Lord, put whatever the Spirit wants to say, put it on my mind to say it, and just go from there. I do that before every single live stream. I'm not kidding. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna definitely start doing this channel a little bit differently, as far as y'all see the opening today. I'm so sad that the music didn't play, but I'll fix that. I'll get that fixed. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Let's see. You said, Jake, you said God has been speaking to me, and when XRP blows up, I'm planning on starting a fund to earn interest and donate that interest to charities. So many possibilities when the market blows up. That's so true, man. That's so true. Very true. Rodney, what's up, man? How you doing, man? Yo. Yo. So I'm about to get started with this XRP analysis. After I finish XRP, I'll jump into Bitcoin, and then after Bitcoin, I'll jump into something else, and then I'll take requests. And hopefully I'm not doing this too long. It is Friday after all. I'm going, like I said, Fridays I get slowing down. Saturdays, I tell my students this, I tell everybody this: don't talk to me, don't send me messages, don't say nothing to me on Saturday. I will ignore you on Saturday, because Saturday is a day that I want to relax and unwind, and I want to just enjoy it. Hey, what's up, Sarah? That's my girl Sarah right there. So, hey, y'all say what's up to Sarah, y'all. But yeah, you guys, if Saturdays, don't talk to me. Saturdays is my day. If you're gonna talk to me on Saturday, don't ask me questions pertaining to business. Don't ask me about anything that has to do with cryptocurrency trading. Don't ask me none of that. Just say to me, like, just say what's up. Just have normal conversation. I don't want to talk about nothing on Saturday. I just want to relax. And I know tomorrow I'm supposed to be playing. I'm supposed to be gaming tomorrow with my sister. We're starting. We might be starting a gaming channel and start streaming a video game. So if y'all want to see gaming. Me gaming, definitely hit me up. I'll do that with you guys. I'll play games with you guys, but we ain't talking money, we ain't talking business. It's just relaxing. All right, I'm just being real. So let me tell you, I had a great laugh earlier this morning. I was talking to my older sister. It was funny because how many of y'all are petty? I wanna ask y'all this. How many of y'all are petty? Some Call of Duty. I play Call of Duty too. Yeah, I could get down in Call of Duty. I prefer Battlefield over Call of Duty, but I could play some Call of Duty, man. Let's see. Oh, see, yep, Sarah knows. But yeah, so I was talking with my older sister today because I was telling her the story how I made my niece my niece cry from beating her in a video game. So how many of y'all have ever played Super Smash Brothers, where you got Mario, Link, Pikachu, Samus, all these people? Y'all know that the Nintendo game Super Smash Brothers. Well, anyway, so this is how petty I am, because I like to play easy with my niece and nephew. So one day I was playing a game, playing around with them, and I let them beat me. So it was 2 versus 1. So they thought they were beating me. They thought, but I let them win a game just to make them feel confident. And so when kids beat you, they feel so accomplished, and they start talking trash and popping off at the mouth. Now, had they not popped off at the mouth, I would have let it go. Oscar, to let you know, it's console and PC, both of them. Mainly console, but I do play PC. But going on with the story, so I was playing with them, and they was talking smack that they beat me. So I said, okay, let's play again, run it up again. And so what ended up happening, I let them take out 2 of my health bars, and they said, we're about to beat you again. So they had like 3 stocks. So I have to knock them out 6 times to win the game. They just got to knock me out 1 time. So I said, oh, I was just playing with y'all, but now I'm about to play serious just to make a point. So, I knocked them. I get them down to 1 life each. I took out my nephew first. And then I'm talking trash, and see how bad y'all are at this game. So I knocked my niece out the game. Brian, she start crying. So, and here's the thing, it was their bedtime too. So after I beat them, I said, hug me and go to bed. So she went to bed with tears. So, if you're gonna play games with me, there's no holding back. You're gonna lose. Let me see. Old fashioned arcade games. Let me see. Okay, got you. Pog. I never played that. But yeah, so when I have I have to make a point when I play games. So if y'all want to play games with me, it's not gonna be fun because I'm gonna talk my trash and be petty. Yes, Sarah, I'm petty. But we about to get into these charts, y'all. I just wanted to share that story. Long story short, don't play people that are petty in video games. They will embarrass you all day. All right, y'all, I'm about to get into this analysis real quick, and we are going to see what the market is going to show us now. All right, let me see. So let me go ahead and mark this. So we're going to start off with the daily chart. I do see that we do have some support here at 44 cents. If we zoom in here, I'm gonna show you guys why we have support here. Let me zoom in here a little bit. So right here, price had held at this level, this area, zone, whatever you want to call it. Price did hold here, so we know that we do have support at this level. So if price is gonna break underneath this blue line, this Kijun-sen, we could expect market to move here if price breaks through the blue line here. So that's first thing there, if we're based off the daily. Now here's something that I do like off this daily time frame. Let me do this real quick because I also see another level of support as well. We also have support right here at 53 cents, and the price seems like it wants to head in this direction. So if we get to 53 cents, I'm expecting price to either reverse at 53 cents or at 51 cents. All right, that's what I'm expecting. All right, not saying that's going to happen, but expectations of the market, that's what I do expect. Now we do have, if this daily candle closes as current, this will show that we have a tweezer bottom, which will be a bullish indication for market to move higher. And then you would want to put your buying positions right here, all right, at 57 cents. But since this daily candle hasn't closed yet, I'm not gonna jump the gun. I'm gonna want to wait until this daily candle closes here to really confirm that. I was teaching my students how important it is to read these candles. A lot of them are starting to understand how important it is to understand each candle individually. Sometimes I deviate from reading candles. I need to start, I need to stay with candles. Candles is something that if you misread one candle, you'll mess up your entire trade. And right here, I should have waited for this daily candle to close, because this was an indecision candle, which is like 50-50 candle. So this is saying that the market could go either way when you see this candle and you see that market push lower here. So this is why it's important to understand how to read candles. And once again, you see right here was a tweezer bottom. And if it closes just like this pattern, I would expect the price to go up. I don't know how far up, but I would expect it to go up from here. All right. And this is another tweezer bottom right here. These two, this bearish candle and then this bullish candle. And then if this daily candle closes, like I said, just like this, we'll have another tweezer bottom right here. And I would expect prices to go up. But you got to wait. You got to wait. Patience is key. Now, moving lower to the smaller time frame as we go to the 4-hour chart. Now, this is what I was showing. I'm actually upset about this because I actually caught a buy right in here, and I was upset because there was no indication of the market going down yesterday night. And when I had seen this morning's candle, these candles in the morning, I said, what happened? So that's when I went back to the daily time frame, and I noticed that there was a bearish engulfing candle, and then prior to that was a indecision candle that I missed. So this is why it's important to read everything, slowly in the charts. This is why if you miss one thing, it's a wrap. So we won't be seeing $1.20 right now. So I have to take this off the table. This is definitely not in the runs right now. We have to see what the market is going to do at these lower levels here. Now, despite and this is funny. Here's something that's funny too. I know that there's manipulation now in this market because this cloud is not supposed to be purple. And when you see, I noticed here with the cloud, when it does this, that's not a good sign. All right. This usually, because you go from bullish to bearish to bullish to bearish, like back to back fast like that. And then you got a bullish candle here. Now, I would expect the market to hold here. I would rather the market hold here, because if it does hold here, you see we have a tweezer bottom right here on the 4-hour chart. So we could potentially move up. But like I was saying, this cloud shouldn't even be purple. This actually should be blue. So I do see that there was manipulation here, like I was saying. Now, let's say if price, holds here, I would expect it to move up after this tweezer bottom. But in reality, I would probably want to find a trade at or investing opportunity at the 53 level or 51 level. Now, let me show you guys the case for 44 cents and 35 cents. All right, because this is something that a lot of people said wouldn't happen, including myself. A lot of analysts out there, they said that we were done with these lower prices. Now they're actually back on the table. We also broke out this P wave as well. So it's going to really depend on how this 4-hour closes. We got a whole hour and 34 minutes. This could still easily turn into a bearish candle. So this is why you got to be patient when it comes to reading charts. This could change instantly. Everybody that trades, they know what I'm talking about. They know that the charts or the candles could change just like this, and then the market reverses on you, and then boom, you're in trouble. But like I was saying here, the problem here, or potential move here, if we break through this white zone, 44 cents is going to be an easy drop, and then like some type of move to the upside, a pullback. And if we break this 44 cent zone, we'll probably make an N wave back to the 35 cent level, 34 cent level. Now let me show you why on the weekly time frame, why that's possible. All right, and I need y'all to understand how the market works, because I know there's some analysts out there that they just say things just to say things, just to build up their following. I don't believe in that because some people say that, when they see certain things that the market's done doing this. You never know. That's the truth about investing and trading, and then fundamentals, and then reading the charts together. Then you get your real move. But like I was saying here, I put this out on Twitter earlier that we're forming a shooting star formation. Those that know what a shooting star formation, that day trade or trade price action at all, know that this is a bearish signal for bears to start entering the market. All right. Now let me show you why we could go back to 35 cents because of that shooting star. All right. Not just because of that shooting star. We have a possible fractal retest in this zone between 31 cents and 34 cents. All right. Now when fractals are broken, and y'all remember when I was talking about this way back here. I'll actually clone this way back in here. Let me zoom in. When we were down at 21 cents to the 23-cent level, this was where the fractal broke before. Oh, actually right here. Let me move that right in here. At 23 cents, fractal broke at this level. Then it went higher, got stalled out at 32-cent level, 31-cent level, pushed back down to that broken fractal level because the price always wants to come back to fractals. All right. This is why the market may come back around the 34, 31 cent level, and I'm gonna show you. And then you see the market ranged here at that 23-cent level, and then it finally broke through the 30-cent threshold, and then went to nearly 80 cents, nearly at 90 cents up here. But here's the thing though, all right? We broke the fractal at 32, 34 level, but we never came back to retest it. All right. So don't be surprised if we come back down to retest it. All right, you guys, we could easily do this. A lot of people are going to be, kind of stunned if this happens. So we could get that move down back to the 34 cent level and then make our N wave back to the upside like this and probably shoot higher. All right. I'm not saying that this is going to be the scenario that happens. I'm just keeping it realistic with you guys. This can definitely happen. All right. This is what it would probably look like if we actually drew the N wave completely. So this will be the A level. This will be B. Come back down to here. And then probably by December, late December, we'll be back up to this range up in here. All right. That's what I see so far for XRP. You guys gotta, I'm still bullish, you guys, but for the meantime, from what I'm seeing on the charts, we are getting some bearish signals. We are, and we could definitely come back to that 31, 34 cent level. I think once we get down to here, if we do get down here, I think a lot of people are gonna be, angry in this area, and I think this is where people may start quitting on XRP and may start getting out of the crypto space, because I think crypto might take one more hit before the actual takeoff. I don't know for sure, but just based off what I'm seeing, it is a possibility, you guys. When people say that it's not a possibility on charts, if you understand the fractals, some people do see on Twitter that talk about fractals, they teach it wrong. It is what it is. I'm not gonna call nobody out, but they do teach fractals wrong. But the market is fractal by nature, and when you break a bull fractal, usually market likes to come back and retest it. All right, just like it broke here, we could get the same thing right in here. So don't be surprised if you see another 30-cent XRP. You could either accumulate, or you could just whatever you want to do at that point. That's on you. All right. But that's what I have so far for my analysis on XRP. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we could, see 30 cent, cent levels again? Do you think we'll go higher from this point? I want to know what your guys' thoughts on this. I appreciate you guys, staying with me and, listening to what I got to say about XRP. But I want to know what you guys think about XRP. You think we're going to see 31 cents again? Or you think we're going to go higher from this point on? All right, let me see what y'all are saying in the comments. We got some new names in here. Let's see. Let's see. Brett, dang. Dang. You called me out. You said it's being petty pride. Maybe. Smashing little kids' hopes. Dang, y'all mean. Hey, y'all calling me out. Sarah, you said record it. No participation trophies around here. Bert, you said I'm horrible. So y'all are talking about what I was saying about beating my niece and nephew. Yeah, you there is no participation trophies, man. I don't believe in that. That I don't. Hold on, you guys, hold on. Let me stop y'all here. When it comes to like nowadays kids, kids are punks these days because there's always a participation trophy. You didn't earn nothing. You didn't even get on the podium. You didn't get second place. You didn't even get third place. You got fourth, fifth place. Everybody gets a trophy nowadays for participation. I don't understand that. When I was growing up, when I was in elementary school, you didn't even get a trophy or a little badge thing, whatever it was, for track and field day. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Did y'all ever have track and field day at y'all's elementary school? We didn't get that. We had, if you got first place, you earned first place and you get a blue little badge. And if you got second place, you get like a red badge, and then third place I think it was green, but whatever. You guys, you gotta earn it. Everything can't be given to you. You gotta earn it. So I gotta teach them young. You gotta work. And now if they start beating me when they get older, perfect. I raised them right. Uncle did well. So it is what it is. Let me see. What's up, Vendetta? How we doing, brother? Let's see. What's up, Apex? Darcy, how you doing? You said I have never even heard of XRP SHA. I guess I'll write that one down. I have never even heard of that. Let me see. Oh my goodness. I don't even have my paper with me today. I should have got some paper. So let me actually do this real quick. XRP. What is SHA for real? I have never heard of XRP versus SHA. Okay, that's an interesting. I'll look at that later. But if you stay tuned, Darcy, I will definitely look at that. Thoughts on XLM? I'll get to XLM. I'm about to look at Bitcoin in a second. What's up, Black Stuntman? God bless you too. Amen. Okay. Let me see. Oh man, there's a lot of comments today. Let me catch up. You said you don't mind if price goes down to 30 cents. You'll add to your bag. I don't blame you. I'll probably be doing the same. December 12th is next week. I don't see it going to this level. They will give a big chance for people to load up more XRP, and regulations are coming. I don't think they will give us one chance to load up. Yeah, that's a good point, but we don't know how fast the market could drop either. Like the market could tank all the way down to 30 tomorrow. And then, by December 12th, then it starts taking off. But I don't know, man. Right now, just based off what the chart's telling me, I'm leaning more towards the market going to the downside. We could have regulations and all that, but that doesn't mean the price is going to go up. We had so many things happen and price still hasn't gone up. But that is a good point. That is something to consider. So, I take it as a grain of salt, but just know that everything's possible in this crypto space, man. You said it seemed like to me like this bull run is running out of steam, maybe due to winter and pandemics. Hexbomb, you are on to something, and I appreciate you, Hexbomb, for being out here. Shout out to Hexbomb for being a member to this channel. God bless you. I appreciate that, man. Pierce, you said I could see low numbers again, but I do believe the big push is coming soon. I agree. Shad, you said only 1, 2, and 3 in my book. I agree. Jake, you said no cap. Hey, you know what's up. It's called the weakening of America. Participation counts. No, it don't. Participation, you could participate, but you didn't win. You don't get no. That's like if you go to the Olympics, you don't get no medal for 4th place. You get medal for only 1st, 2nd, in third. Let me see. No Hoi Coco timeout. I guess you were speaking Spanish. I'm assuming that's what you were saying. You said, "Yep, I remember the ribbons." Yeah. Oh yeah, it was the ribbons. That's what it was. So it was. Yeah, that's what it was. The ribbons. Okay. See, you remember. You know what's up. What's up, Jarvis? How you doing? Earn your keep. Yep, earn your keep. Okay, that's what Shaw is. Okay, I have never heard of Shaw. Best is Ethereum. Best is Ethereum. I don't know about the best, but as far as this current market, maybe. But in the long run, I don't believe it's going to be nothing compared to what XRP is trying to do. But you still get applause for your participation. I got you. Let me stop playing with y'all. Let me go ahead and look at Bitcoin real quick, and then I'll look at XRP Shaw next because I have never heard of that. Now, here's the good thing about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still showing signs of moving bullish. Despite this candle right here, it is still showing strong signs of pushing higher. Only because we have span A moving up, span B's up. The key June and Tinkerson are up. Now the problem here is that this is far away from the actual price. Price for Bitcoin could actually drop down to here. Now that I'm looking at this, drop down to this 15K level. Now, if Bitcoin drops down to here, you guys, a lot of people are gonna be confused. So, yeah, it's still bullish in my opinion, but I think there's going to be a big pullback very soon. So, my students, y'all keep me on my toes because I want to catch some of these trades for y'all. And if we catch this, that's gonna be your whole monthly check right there. If we catch this trade right here. That's 15%. And if you're using, depending on your lot size, this could be your whole monthly check. If not the 2 months worth of your check right here. If this does drop to the downside this far, but we have to figure out if that's going to be the case. This weekly candle closes in 1 day in 22 hours, so we're gonna have to see what's going on. Probably tomorrow, not tomorrow, Sunday. See how the market starts up. Let's see. So here's what I have. I need to get rid of that. I'm trying to just focus on the higher time frames because higher time frames is where you make the money. I'm sick of small charts. I don't like small charts too much. I like the higher charts because I like making big trades. My students know I'm very patient. Sometimes they get mad because they want trades every day, but no, we got to make good decisions. All right, so like I said here, what's going on here, and I actually like this. I'm actually going to do this. So this market, I'm going to box it up. So as we already see, the market's ranging here on Bitcoin. The cloud is starting to go flat here. It's losing some steam. Kijinsen's starting to lose steam. So we are about to go into a range. We go to the 4-hour chart. This market is definitely in a range. Like I said, I do expect a possible push to the downside. Only thing is I want to see how the next few weeks is going to be. Let's see. Probably towards the end of the year, we'll probably see prices move higher. So this is probably what could happen here. We could get that push down in here and then continue back to the upside. That's more likely my scenario for this Bitcoin, but we will see. The best time frame to probably look for opportunity here. See, this was a bust. The best time frame for opportunity will probably be the 4-hour chart. Let me actually clean it up a little bit, make it a little more presentable. So to my, actually, you know what? There actually might be a shorting opportunity now that I look at this. We had a bearish engulfing, a hanging man right there. We have a Chiku span breakout right there. We are at support right there too as well. So if anything, and then we got a bearish cross as well. So let me check this right here. So you guys, we have a lot going on right here. We got a bearish cross right there, which is interesting. It's a weak signal because it's above the cloud, but we have a Chiku span break right there. So if anything, I'm expecting this right now. I'm expecting the price to move up right here, but this is what I also see. I see, let me also take the cloud off. I see this actually being the case, a potential case. Moving here, and then a potential move to the downside, wherever that may be. All right. So this could be the case here. And I'll show you something here as well, because this a lot could happen here. All right. So let me show you guys what I anticipate in this area. Let me actually darken this a little bit. All right, so here you guys, I do see that the price is going to potentially go up here, but let's also give you one more scenario, because like I said, you gotta, how many of you guys play chess? Ladies, gentlemen, how many of y'all play chess? I strongly urge you to learn how to play chess. It will definitely help you with your trading, because it keeps you patient and it keeps you on your toes, especially if you're playing chess with somebody that's really good. Like one of my friends, he's so good at chess. He always beats me. Always beats me. I only beat him 3 times, but every time we play chess, he always beats me. But anyway, point is, if you learn how to play chess, it will definitely help your trading game. It keeps you patient. It keeps you watching the charts. Now, if you play time chess, that's a whole different animal. Now, I could beat him at time chess, but when it comes to, like, you know, just chess in ongoing unlimited time, then that gets harder, because you get more time to think. But when it comes to time chess, you have to look at it like the market. The market's based off time. The candles close in a certain amount of time, depending on what time you do trade or what time frame you trade. You go based off that, so you have a limited amount of time to make a decision in the market. But when you do make a good decision in the market, you could catch some pretty dope moves. But like I was saying, in this situation, we're either gonna get a break here or a bust to the downside, all right, or bounce to the downside. So that's what I see for Bitcoin so far. I'm not opposed to the market going lower. And if you notice, look at the cloud. It's starting to go round. Whenever you see the cloud going round, that's usually a sign for the market to dip lower. And then also, I would be confident here for a sell, but I don't think we're going to get that sell yet. Even though we broke here, I want to see how the market's going to, if the market's going to come back up and respond, how it's going to respond up here. Then that's when I'm going to look for a short. So probably in the next 16 hours, I'll really, let's see, 8 to 16 hours, because each candle on this time frame is 4 hours. So pretty much between the next 8 to 16 hours, I'll get an idea what the market's going to do in this area. And then we'll start to see the market make its move. But we are rounding out here, so Bitcoin may take a dip here. That's what I am seeing. Not saying that we're going to go through here. We could also come back down to this level too at the cloud support, which will take us to 18,147. A break there will definitely take us down to 17,540. So you guys, patience is the game. Be patient when you're trading. Patience. All right. So let me take a look at what you guys are saying. Ooh, you are talking a lot today. Ooh, I heard La Chancla. Boom. Y'all, the Chancla coin, is that a thing? I have never heard that. You said you're going back to work. All right, man. God bless you, man. Thanks for being on my live stream, brother. God bless you. I appreciate you. Hey, Crafty, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm glad you made it. Glad you made it. Okay, Darcy, are you still here? I just want to know and make sure you're still here. I'm about to look at XRP shop for you. I just say present or whatever you want to say, and show you that you're here. You said, Ashad, you said the new gold and mining backed coin coming out by Apollo FinTech looks promising. Interesting. Lord Vendetta, you said you're downloading chess app right now. Okay, bet. Yeah, let me know which app you download. I'll play with you. I haven't played chess in a while. I haven't found anybody to play with in a while, so I need to play my friend again since he's really good. GSX. Okay, got you. All right, so I'm gonna look at XRP Shaw now. Have no idea what that is, but we are going to check it out and see what the fuss is with this coin. Y'all, I got a new keyboard too. This thing is it's not bright, but it shines. I like it. So I was having a hard time seeing in the dark with the keyboard. So now I got an actual keyboard to look at. So Darcy, your XRP Shaw is not on here. Yeah, I do not see it. Yep, it's not coming up. So you got another coin? Yeah, I have no idea. It's not coming up. Okay, so that being said, I'll look at XLM. I do remember somebody requesting XLM. Let's see, XLM. Here we go. Okay, so XLM's doing the exact same thing as XRP. Nothing crazy special. Here is okay. It could drop back down to 10 cents, just like it could drop here if it breaks that key June. And usually if Bitcoin takes a hit, everything else takes a hit. So if we do decide to dip, 13 cents is in the works, and then 10 cent could be in the works. It looks the exact same as XRP, honestly. It's at the key June level. If we get a tweezer bottom here, we could potentially look for buying opportunities on the lower time frames. Coming down to the 4 hour, that doesn't look like the case. It looks like this may want to push lower. This price just broke through the cloud. We are at a support right here. If you look at this zone, let me take this off as well. If you look at this zone, we could hold here in range and here as well. So we did have Hinka B, which actually we had Hinka B today. Actually, Hinka B means price could reverse or accelerate to the downside or accelerate to the upside. In this case, it looks like price may accelerate to the downside. I'm seeing this market probably push a little bit lower. We are seeing some bearish action right here. I do want to see how this 4 hour candle closes, because that could change my outlook on this market. I would just have to wait for that 4 hour candle close and then look for opportunity on the 1 hour chart. And if we get a bullish signal here, then I'll probably start looking for the market to rally back up. But right now it's kind of hard to say, because I need to wait for that 4 hour candle and especially that daily candle to close. If this daily candle does not close bullish, then we're in for some trouble. So I really want to see how this daily candle is going to close first. We could get all sorts of signals on the smaller time frames, but this daily time frame is going to really dictate where the market is really going to go, especially if we break this blue line. Then you could expect lower prices here. So right now I don't have any true analysis for all the pairs that I looked at as far as a real genuine direction. I am more in favor for the market to go down just for a healthy pullback. But right now for XRP and XLM, they are showing some signs of holding here. So that's why I want to wait for this daily candle to close first. So tomorrow I'll definitely know and have a better idea of what this market's gonna look like for XLM. When it comes to Ichimoku, this thing literally tells you to wait. This is telling me to wait. No, don't even touch the market yet. So, and then you got the flat line here is telling me wait. This is angling up, so this could definitely be a potential buy long term. But right now it's telling me wait for opportunity because this line's flat. This is flat here. And then going to the smaller time frames, we see the pullback happening. So you just, when you use Ichimoku, you got to understand and you got to pick your time frames wisely. And you got to understand what you're looking at when you pick your time frames. As long as you could identify the bigger picture when you're trading Ichimoku, it tells you everything that you need without having to do too much groundwork. So here, this is telling me that there's invisible level of resistance support here. If I take it off, you wouldn't see that invisible level of support here unless you drew it up like this. So you could identify these levels without the cloud, but the cloud helps you identify it faster. You see? So right here, I know that we have some support in this area. So, and then, you know, putting it on here, you see it for yourself clearly. So, yes, this is why I use the cloud. It helps me identify stuff a lot faster. Do I need it? No. But does it help? Yes, tremendously. Okay, so I'm done with XLM. Let me see. Do y'all have... Okay, so you're still here. Okay. Yeah, Darcy, I did see... once again, I did see. Oh, so yeah, they don't have XRP SHA on these charts, so it must be new because it's not even showing up on the platform, on the analysis platform. So, sorry, we'll have to probably look at it on something else, or I'll have to probably find another site that has it. Let me see. Hit chess, play, and learn. Got you. Let's see. Any predictions for 2021? I don't know what about these Riddlers are talking about, brother. You know what? I don't even pay attention to the Riddlers. I don't even know what they even say half the time. But as far as what's my predictions as 2021, new all-time highs. I believe that we're going to have some new all-time highs in 2021. That's my prediction. You said, Brett, you said anyone see Brad talk about that? We should see clarity very soon. Good. Yeah, 6 to 8 weeks. Man, there's some people that said 7 days. But you know what? Who knows really what's going on? You know, it's funny that... Brave mentioned chess.com in the bottom of my screen, and I haven't even looked up anything chess. So this just lets me know that they're tapping in and listening to this live stream. That's crazy because I mentioned chess earlier. Some chess ad pops up on the bottom of my screen. It has never popped up anything about chess before, so that's crazy. So maybe I need to talk about XRP going up and money. So we'll see if they put some ads then. Let me see. So anybody have a, let me see. Oh, here's one. You said, could you check at Zap USD? Okay, let me see if they even have that. What's up, Crypto Brown? Oscar, how y'all doing? Zap versus the dollar. Let's see if that's even a thing here. Okay, there's Zap. I see it. Nice. Okay, so I have looked at this before. It's been a while since I looked at this. I don't even remember what I said for this. I have it marked up, but I don't remember analyzing this. Or let me go down to a smaller time frame, see what I said here. Okay. So I said sideways from this arrow. Let me see what I said on the smaller time frame. 1 hour. Okay, so this is what I said. Let me zoom in a lot more because I can't see it. So right here, I pretty much said price must break this high. So when I say that, that usually means the market's going to go higher. So actually, let me make this green so I can highlight this market. Because I have not looked at this since over here. So, and we see it's been ranging. And I even said that this market was going to be in a range. You see I have the arrow right there. Let me drag it up. Yeah, I said this market was going to be in a range. I said until it breaks outside this range, then we'll go, make its move. And we see here that it did break up here, and it didn't, it didn't hold for too long. It was just moving sideways still. Dipped down. Yeah, dipped way down. Came to these levels, and then finally took off. Dang, that's a good jump too. Oh, you know what? I'm sad. I'm gonna have to hurt your feelings on this analysis. I'm gonna show you something. Because something immediately came up that I don't like for this one. And if y'all hear any children in the background, my niece and nephews, my nieces and my nephew are having the time of their life out there. You know what? That's ugly. Okay, so we do have a head and shoulders right here, but I need to have a better tool for drawing. They need to update their tools. So here, actually, let me make this a little thicker. But yeah, I'm seeing this head and shoulders here for this one. We're lagging. Okay, there we go. So here, we got a shoulder right here. If I could just get this right there. Alright, so we got a shoulder here. I'm just going to clone these just to make this go quicker. We got a head right here. And then we got another shoulder right in here. So we got 3 ant hills. Alright. So this could be a fake out pattern, but this market looks weak on this time frame as well. So we could potentially start coming back down this way for Zap. Let me make sure. Yeah, because that's what I'm seeing right now for Zap. So I would wait here for some price action. Wait for like a bearish candle. If you get a bearish candle in here, wait for the next hour candle to close. If the next hour candle closes bearish, I'm going to be more inclined for this market to push lower. But if this next 1 hour candle closes bullish after this one, you could anticipate the market potentially moving higher here. I wouldn't think too much higher because we still got to get through this thick cloud, and Chiku Spen's probably going to get stuck right here. So overall, I'm still bearish on this. We could actually come up here and then drop, but I'm still bearish here. So in this bubble range, this is where I'm expecting the market to make its decision to the downside. I don't see it getting through this cloud here. I just don't. So I have this market in favor of the downside. I just don't know how far down. It definitely could come back down to this 9-cent level and this 8-cent level here. And if it does complete the full head and shoulder pattern, back down in here to 5 cents. So I would wait on this. If I were you, I wouldn't jump in. Just be watching the next 2 hour candles. If the next 2 hours give you a bearish signal, sell it or short the market. Let's see. So let's see. Yeah, there's no XRP, no Shaw XRP on this chart. So sorry if I can't get to that. Let's see. Ashad, you said it is nuts. Talk more about the Lord. They will definitely leave. Wow. That always happens, man. I could talk about the Lord all day, because especially when I mention what, like, everything that He's done for me and what He's got me through. Even now, even though I know that I'm not like the most. I'm not. I know I have a lot of things that I need to work on for sure, but man, guys, you like, just thinking about it right now, I freeze up, and I can't tell God thank you enough. There's not enough words to say thank you to God. Like, if you really have that relationship with God, I'm telling you, there's not enough thank yous. Like, even when you wake up in the morning, thank you is not enough. If you don't understand what I mean, guys, like, you have to have a relationship with Him. Like, even when He gets you out of, like, your darkest places in life, thank you is not enough, man. It's like, you did that. You went out your way. He says he will leave the 99 for one. So He'll go leave 99 for the one that left the flock, for just to save that one. So knowing that God did that for me where I was at, especially 3 years ago, man, it's just crazy how, God has moved in my life, man. But I could go on all day. I know y'all y'all will be like, we don't here for that, but I don't really care. Sometimes I have to just give God praise, man, because y'all don't understand. He does a lot. Even when you don't think He's doing something, He's doing something. For Zenfin, I'm not even gonna look at that chart. I could tell you right now that Zenfin is in a correction, right? A huge correction right now. But Zenfin is actually trying to print a. Last time I looked at it, was trying to print a hammer, but I'll have to check that in the morning, see how that looks. But Zenfin is dropping right now. I do know that for sure. You said, could I look at at ADA? Sure, I'll look at ADA for you. Oscar, you said, when I hit my bottom in life, He was the only one that got me through it. Amen. See, He's the only one that will get you through. If you really lean on God, He'll show you that everybody else is not for you, man. And it's sad when He shows you that revelation. It hurts. I'm not gonna lie, it hurts. The people that you thought be there, sometimes God will block everything in your life to show you that He's the only person that will truly be there for you. Like, there's some people that God puts in your life that's gonna be there, but no one's gonna be there like God, man. Not even your children, man. Not even your mom, not even your dad. God's gonna be there for you like nobody else. And you may have a close relationship with your family members, your children, your grandmother, whatever, but they could not love you as close. Their love does not even come close to God's love, you guys. It doesn't even reach God's love. And when you taste God's love, man, it really changes you, like, really does. It's crazy. It really is how it works, how God's love works. But I could talk about God all day, you guys, and y'all. I will bore y'all to death, because I know y'all ain't here for that. But anyway, I remember here I was saying that price will move up higher from this bubble. It did. We get a drop down, move higher. I didn't anticipate this drop though, so that's something that So now that we got that out the way, the reason why price dropped again is because when you get this move, I'll show you why it dropped. And this is why I want y'all to, if y'all ever become my students, I'll tell you why the market does what it does. Because there's some things why people lose trades and don't know why. Because you could easily avoid this here if you just read a few things. So, so here's the N wave pattern. So here's A, B, and then let's say D's up here somewhere. So from A to B, we know that price may pull back. So from B to C, this is where buyers will enter the market, or we would hope that buyers enter the market here. Buyers did enter the market, which is why you see the market went up here. But when price gets back up to this B level, If it does not break above B, which is in this range from here to here, if price fails to break above B level, market's more likely gonna go down. All right, yeah, I gotta memorize this. Price is gonna go either down or range, and you see that the market is ranging here. So this is why you gotta understand why the market moves the way it does and the reason why it does that. So here you probably want to put your level here, but you see how price came back to this level, and we could argue that this was B, and then boom, price failed to get above B level, and you see it move lower. So this is why it's good to understand how the wave theory works, because if you could understand the wave theory, you could avoid trades like these and then get a move, trade this to the downside. But anyway, let me get to the point. So Cardano, ADA, whatever you want to call it, it's in a range right now. This is flat. Everything's flat right now. Coming down to the 4 hour, we see that all the charts look the same. You got a bearish cross here. You got a Chiku span break here. You might get a small pullback and then a push down. That could happen, but I still see this market going down lower. The cloud is starting to curve here, so we could definitely see that. We got a Kumo breakout right here. We'll have to see how long that lasts. We got 51 minutes until this 4 hour candle closes. I can't really do too much here. I want to see how this 4 hour candle closes, and then I want to see how this daily candle closes to really confirm how strong this market is going to be. All these markets are doing the same thing. All these cryptos are doing the exact same thing right now. Woo! Man, I don't even know why, but my tongue's on fire for some reason. Let me see. You said sure, for sure. Thanks, bro. Let me see. You said I should even be here. Wow, man. You need to praise the Lord for real, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. You had kidney failure at the end of 2016, man. God bless, man. You came through. Let's see. Crafty, you said I returned my XRP. Okay. And you bought inflatable pool. Your XRP inflatable pool that I bought at Walmart. It had a pinhole leak. Dang. Literally watch the level drop over time. Dang, that sucks. No, if I start speaking in tongues, y'all gonna be scared. Y'all gonna be scared. Tyson, what's up, brother? How you doing? What's up, Sosa? You guys, if y'all like movies, y'all could definitely subscribe to Sosa. He does political content, he does anime content, and he does also movie content. So if you guys want to support my brother Sosa Potence 300 in the live chat feed, definitely support his channel. All right. Let's see. Jeff, you said, can I look at Tron? Yes, I'll take a look at Tron. Let me look at Tron real quick. Where is Tron at? I have so many things on. Here it is. Tron is right there. Ooh, so finally, this one's clean. We have a bearish cross right now, which is interesting. Tron is going to take a hit. So let's go here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this because that's gonna be too much. I'm gonna zone this. Alright, so this is zone now. Since I got this zone, I now know where price could potentially go to. It's just a waiting game now. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. So if I'm gonna trade this, and also let me show you guys this real fast. Let's see, where's it at? Right there. No, I'm not gonna go that far. We got a P wave in here, so price could still come in here and then move up, or it could come break through and move to the downside. For Tron, let me see. This is an interesting one because all the charts are saying the same thing, which is crazy. Excuse me. They're all saying the exact same thing right now. So we could actually get a pullback here and then a push lower. We have a thick cloud. I don't think this is going to easily get through here. Chiku Span would definitely have to cut through price right here for it to be a strong signal to the upside. But right now, I want to wait for this 4-hour time frame in the daily. Like, you guys don't understand. Every single chart looks all the same except a little differences, maybe a little tweaks. But for the most part, all these time frames look the exact same. And for this one particular, the only thing that's kind of shaking me up here is, well, we do have a fractal here, so let me actually mark that. So we have a fractal level that was broken at 2 cents. Well, price is still at 2 cents, just a lower 2 cents right here. So 2 cents and 7 right here versus 2 cents and 9 right here. But price could still come here because that was where the last fractal was at. So that is something that I am going to monitor, you guys. That is very interesting how this market's playing. If anything, what I would go off of for a opportunity right now is the hour time frame. Our time frame shows that it is bearish, but it shows that the market does want to make a pullback because it's out of equilibrium, which is why you see the market is pushing up right now. So if you see the purple candle breakthrough here, then we'll expect it to touch here, and then we'll see a retest at these levels. But I wouldn't get too excited there because you have a zone here as well. So price would definitely have to get above this zone to even be relevant to move higher anyway. Let me go here real quick. So we could get this, and then a push lower, and that'll give us a N wave. All right. Now, if that doesn't happen, then we'll see price cut through, move higher, and we'll also get a bullish TK cross here, and then price should start taking back off to the upside. But like I said, you guys, you have to be patient. If you don't have patience, you should not trade at all. Day trading is for real gamers. If you are a gamer, I suggest you learn how to day trade. If you are a true gamer, day trading is the hardest game you will ever play because it is a game. It is a game. And you have to understand the game. And when you understand the game, the real money is in day trading. This is why people make more money day trading than hodling or investing, because the real money is being on the charts where you could literally catch this move, leverage this movement here. If you leverage this whole move, you could literally turn this 1 cent move all the way to 4 cents into like big stacks of money. And if you look at the percentage from this move here, that's 180% right there. Now, if you invest 180% versus leveraging 180% at a 10 times leverage, you could. And I know some of y'all seen my post on Twitter like last week, how I flipped $67 into $8,000 in 13 days. And that was literally, leveraging a trade on XRP in the Mexican peso. So you guys, you don't understand. If you want to trade, you can't have any emotions, and you have to have patience. And this is why I don't suggest people trade. Not everybody. Trading's not meant for everybody, because some of y'all ain't patient. And it shows on Twitter. But if you do learn and master trading, there's so much more money, and it's very lucrative. And people that do day trade, y'all know what I'm talking about, because especially my students, because they know flipping, small accounts to big accounts, it's crazy. And then, whatever. But money, there's so much money in day trading. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Now, if you do day trade, you got to make sure you have a good broker or a good exchange, because some of them don't want to give you the money that you made because they feel like they've been robbed, and they feel some type of way. So that's why you got to do your research on who your broker is or who your exchange is, and also do like a practice withdrawal, like put in some money and see if they if they allow you to withdraw your money. They act funny. I'm gonna tell you, exchanges and brokers act funny when you're taking out 4 to 5 figures of money. And don't get me started when you start taking out like 10 bands or more. They start acting real funny. But anyway, that's another story. Can you check vet? Okay, yeah, I'll look at vet. You said manipulation at its worst, too obvious. Yes, see, you know what I'm talking about. You know exactly what. Okay, let me actually see real quick. You said take care, Cash. See you soon. All right, Vendetta. I hope you take care, man. God bless you, and thanks for joining the stream, brother. I appreciate you. Let me do this real quick. I'm gonna look at vet, and I'll take two more. I'll take two more requests after vet. So vet, let's take a look at vet real quick. VeChain. So VeChain hit the target that so VeChain hit all 4 targets and higher. So I could take this off now. I could wipe my sweat off. Actually, let me move that up. Move that out. All right, here we go. Move that out. All right, here we go. So let me make this simple. I have too much stuff on my screen already. All right, here we go. So I'm just gonna zone this because you want to zone the market when, especially if you're doing the higher time frames. Let me see, where should I zone this at? Multiple touches here. Yeah, I'm gonna zone this area right in here. All right, so yeah, here we go. I got a zone now, and then you gotta pick your zones appropriately too. All right, so let's see, right in here. Yeah, right there. All right, so you know what, man, I get picky when I look at these lines sometimes. I'm trying to figure out where I want them. All right, here we go. I'll put it right there. So right now, as y'all all see, all these charts look these exact same. It's ridiculous how they look. I'm more bullish on VeChain because the way that this formation looks here, this one's a little bit more free. It just needs to break the high to go this high here. But this is more bullish than all the other ones that I've looked at so far. All right. This is flat, so it's definitely in a range. Kijun's flat, so I'm definitely going to go straight to the 4 hour. You know what? I like this a lot more than I'd like that XRP and all the other charts, which is actually very interesting. What's going on with VeChain? I might have to look at some VeChain because this is actually interesting. That this one is actually looking better and more inclined to go up sooner than later. And then you got a P wave here, and then you have price action. Yeah, this one looks like it's gonna be bullish. Now let's hope that this don't cross. We got 39 minutes for this candle to close. This is looking more promising than XRP and all the other charts that I looked at today. This is looking bullish out of all the other charts. The other ones look bearish, but this one looks bullish, which is very interesting. We have a piercing line candlestick formation here. Once this 4 hour candle closes, if it closes like this or a little bit lower, I'm more inclined for a buy opportunity for VeChain after this 4 hour candle closes. Now, how long would I trade this for or take this for? Probably up to here. That would be the first target because this is the B level. And if I throw the wave theory on here, let me show you guys. Right there. So from here to here, we still got to get above B level. So let me actually get this out. So this is where I would start looking to TP the market, take profits up here somewhere. Now if it breaks through here, then I could see VeChain prices getting higher up to this point. So this is going to be my targets for VeChain. I'm more bullish on this one. Granted that we don't have a bearish cross here. We'll see. We got a Chiku span break here, or Chiku span bounce off of the price and the cloud here. So I'm more inclined for this to go up, and we got a weird looking bullish cloud. So this one I'm gonna lean towards the bulls taking this one on VeChain. This one looks way different from all the other charts today. Way different. And then if you really want to confirm a buy here, wait till price or Chiku span breaks through here, and then you should definitely take a buy here, just to play it safe. But if you're going based off the 4-hour, it's right here telling you to buy after this candle closes. So in 37 minutes, this could be a good buy opportunity. So we shall see, though. We shall see. We could get faked out right here and then market dip, but that's why you got to be careful in these markets, because you could get faked out easily. Because you could get, I was telling my students that you could get multiple price action formations, like you see back in here, like right in here. You had a bullish engulfing, and then you had indecision, and then market tanked on you. You could definitely get that. So that's why you got to be careful when you trade. When you just trade just pure candles, because you could get stuck up in some of these problems here. That's why you got to wait till the candle finishes, forming. Then it has to make sense and be confirmed on the lower time frame. All right. Yeah, I'll just confirm that, Darcy. Casino Coin is dead. Casino Coin is not coming up anytime soon, and I'll actually show you. I'm not gonna do like a deep analysis on it, but I will show you what Casino Coin looks like right now. Casino Coin is dying. Like Casino Coin is it's dropping. I expect Casino Coin to drop some more. Last time I looked at Casino Coin, I think it was up here. I said it was going to drop, and now we're down in here. I said to, someone had asked me to look at it. I said, no, I'm not going to even bother, because I already know what it's doing. It's just stuck in here. It's not going to do anything for a while. If anything, it's going to move sideways for however long, and then once it gets above the cloud, that's when I'll start looking for opportunity to invest again. But right now, it's not a good time to invest. Unless you really trust the project, then by all means invest down in here. But right now, I wouldn't buy any yet until we get more above the cloud to really confirm that there's a strong market. So that's what I see. You said, wow, XLM up 41%. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I already did that one. I'll take one more. Okay, so you said XEM. Okay, XEM. I don't even know what that is. XEM. NIM. Wow, this thing looks good. Wow, immediately I see goodness on this one. Oh man, this one looks good. Now here's the problem. I do like this, don't get me wrong, but I only have one problem with this. Oh my goodness. Now hold on, let me see. Let me see right here. Okay, we still got room to go higher. If anything, we'll probably get right here, and then we'll probably start doing some pullbacks. But this looks just like the XRP breakout a little bit. But this one looks a lot cleaner, though, than the XRP breakout. Let me go to that daily chart. Ooh, this daily chart looks good, too, though. Let me see. Yeah, I really like this right now. You know what? Let me go to that 4 hour to confirm. Yeah, even here I'm liking this. You know what? If I were you after this live stream or right now, I would buy some. I would buy some right after this live stream's over if I were you, or right now at this present moment. Every single signal on is saying buy this right now. Span A, span B, key June's up. Everything is bullish here. And then you got a bullish engulfing candle. No, I would buy this if I were you. And I'm not trying to hype you up or nothing. You may want to wait for that 4-hour candle to close. Just monitor that 4-hour candle because you see we already broke here. But if you're looking here on the 4-hour chart, 32 minutes left before this candle closes. Make sure it closes here. Make sure it closes just like this. If it closes like this, take a buy opportunity. All right, on the 4-hour chart. That's all I gotta say about that one. Let me see. All right, anybody have one more? I'll do one more. I'll do one more. One more chart. Let me know. I'm waiting. I'm checking these messages real quick. Alright, so nobody. Okay, so NU. Are you talking about NU like New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, or are you talking about like a cryptocurrency? I have never heard that. What's the abbreviation for that? Just because I know it's not just NU. Let me try that. Let me see. Did I put that in right? Let me make sure. NU cipher. Okay, let me see if okay, let me put that in. Okay, I found it. I was just making sure because I have never even seen that. Well, I could tell you immediately that this thing is gonna start coming back down. Okay, because first of all, we're far away from the key June. That's not a good sign. So we might get a pullback to either. Actually, no. Let me zone this. We might get a pullback down to here. So we might get a pullback down to 19-20 cent level. It's at 29 right now. So yeah, we might get a pullback, and especially if the daily candle closes like that. Yeah, this gotta come down. Let me confirm more on these smaller charts. 4-hour is saying that we're strongly pushing to the upside. Now, when this 4-hour candle closes, there's gonna be a problem because it's gonna close as an indecision candle. And when the market closes as indecision at a resistance, more likely the price is going to come down. All right. Now, I'll show you where price can potentially drop to. It could drop back down to here. Actually, I don't want to use that one. It could come down to here. Right in here. So we could get a drop down to the 23 cent level, then a push back higher. Or we could, come back down to the 20 cent, 19 cent level. Just because the 4-hour candle is closing as indecision, the market doesn't know what it wants to do because we have a doji. So whenever you see this candle, this means indecision. It's called a doji. It's an indecision. So that means it doesn't necessarily mean the market will reverse, but the market is more inclined to reverse if you see that. So that's why I say that. And then you see here the market's reversing here. Also, you see here on the here it's starting to flatten out the key June. Now I'll say this because this is the saving grace here. All right. This is starting to roll over, which is a problem here. So price could definitely fall down from this point. Here's another thing. You got a tweezer top which is a bearish signal. But then you have a hammer right here. So we could buy here, but the only way that you should buy here, the only reason why, is if price gets above here at 30. If price gets above 32 cents and a half, then that's your buy. But if it does not get above this level, don't even bother. All right. That's what I have for this one. But if it, I'm telling you now, if it does not get above here, do not even bother. 32 cents and a half. And to be more specific, 32 cents and pretty much 600 is where I would actually get involved. So let me actually put that out for you. The coordinates right there. All right, boom, right there. So this is where I would buy at if I were you. 32 cents and 600 flat. All right, that one wasn't bad. And you got to be careful when you see candles, indecision candles, because indecisions candles could go either way. But that's why you got to go to the lower time frame, because this could still move higher. It's just the market's probably exhausted because it doesn't know, it's never been at this level before. Let me see. Has it been at this level before? Yeah, so it's never been at this level before. So that's why it's saying indecision. Whenever you see indecision candle, usually it's where the market's not really sure what it wants to do, and especially for it to be in this territory and it's still a young coin. They don't know how far they want to push the price up yet, and if it's even worth pushing up. So that's why you got to check the 1 hour chart for this situation. If it doesn't get above here, don't even take it, because it's going to come back down. And if it does come back down, you'll see it coming back down to the 23 cent level, and then between 19 and 20 cents. And if it gets above here, that's what you're going to see. Then again, it could range, so that could also happen. So I'll box this market up as well. Always got to be careful when you see this, because the market could definitely range here. Yeah, I'll do that. So yeah, market could range here, but if it doesn't range here, it's gonna make one of these moves. I've just given you scenarios on what could happen, and then sideways. Looking at this overall, I'm more inclined for the market to range. So I'm going to give the green light for the range market. I'm choosing green for the range. I'm more inclined for this. Second, I'm going to give this one a yellow for a potential maybe. And then for this, I'm going to say red. I'm going to take this out the picture. All right. That's what I have. So I kind of color coded it just to, I did that on the fly too, but just to differentiate my thoughts on this market. I'm going green. I'm going sideways for the market moving sideways here. All right. That's what I have for this one. Let me see. All right. So that one is done. All right, so I got NU down. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna end there. Hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. I hope you guys continue to check out learning how to invest and trade and read charts for yourself as well. Learning how to read charts is going to take you a long way. Especially if you're trying to make money on the side or make it a hobby. Definitely would learn how to read charts, and definitely would want you guys to get involved. But that being said, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this live stream. Hope you guys tune in for the next one. I will be doing a live stream on Sunday, so catch me on Sunday. I will see you guys on Sunday. If you guys have any questions, hit up my inbox. Also, try to just reach out. But like I said, don't talk to me on Saturdays. I won't say if it has to do with trading, don't talk to me on Saturday. If it has to do with investing, don't talk to me on Saturday. Sunday, cool, but Saturday, no. Saturday is the Sabbath. I am resting on the Sabbath. I'm going to take a chill. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Hope you guys have a great night. And I will see you guys in the next stream. All right, God bless and peace.